Hey everyone, welcome back to IT Samurai Teacher. I have been really curious about hidden cameras lately. They have been getting more and more advanced, and honestly, some of them are so well hidden, it's hard to believe they are cameras at all. So I decided to check one out of myself, and today I'm finally opening one up to see what's inside. So let's take a closer look together. Alright, here's what I have got. This is a hidden camera inside what looks like a regular power plug. I'm not going to mention the brand name, just take a look at this. It's got a two USB ports, one USB-C port, and even work as a power outlet. You could use it to charge your phone or any other devices, and you can set it up pretty much anywhere, at home, in the office, even take it with you when you travel. Think about that. You put this and plug into the airport if you want to record, or maybe Starbucks or coffee shop, anywhere. Just think, there's so many places you can take this and just plug, right? So, and honestly, just by looking at it, you never think it's a hidden camera. For me, that's both fascinating and little concerning. I mean, how often do we even think to check something like this? Seriously, right? It really makes you wonder how safe we are in, especially in today's world. But here's the thing, it's not all bad. I think devices like this can be double-edged sword. On one side, they can definitely invade someone's privacy, and that's a real concern. But on the other side, they can also be used for good, like collecting evidence in tough situations or adding extra layer of security to your home or office or anywhere you want, right? So yeah, that's a balance here. It all depends on how they are being used.
I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know.
Alright, now let's go to the exciting part. I have opened this thing up so I can show you. Probably I need to get, you already unscrew. And okay, I'm going to open this up. Oops, I don't want to break it because I need to use this. It's a small cable, so I'm going to show you as like that, so I can explain. So we can take a closer look at what's going on inside, and let me tell you, it's pretty fascinating. So the first thing you'll notice is this is small camera right here. This is the actual hidden camera that does all the recording. It's connected to the rest of the device with these ribbon cables. These thin flat cables are used to transfer data between the camera and the main circuit board. You can see the camera in here and the ribbons. Get that tiny little camera. You can see. So it's connected to the rest of the device with these ribbon cables. These thin flat cables are used to transfer data between the camera and the main circuit board. Now, if you look closely, this is the main PCB or printed circuit board, this green board. is basically the brain of the whole device. It's packed with electronic components like resistors, capacitors, and microchips that control how everything works together. Right next to that, you will see the power components. There's this yellow transformer here. It's used to convert the power coming into the device can operate. These two cylinder capacitors store and regulate energy. Okay, so it's regulate the energy, and this black coil is an inductor which helps filter and smooth out the electrical current. And if you take a look here, you will see the battery compartment where the AA batteries go. It's a pretty standard with these spring-loaded copper contacts that connect the batteries to the circuit. There are also a USB module built into the board. You can see the ports here, two USB A ports and a USB-C port, as you can see in here, right? Two USB and USB-C port. So there's also USB module built into the board, right? And there's an antenna wire here. This is the wireless connectivity, probably Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So the camera can send footage to your phone or any other device. It's amazing how much tech they have crammed into this tiny power plug, right? So all these components work together to make it look like a normal outlet, but it's actually recording everything around it. So what really blows my mind is how easy to disguise something like this. It's a definitely clever, but at the same time it makes you think how important it's to stay aware and protect your privacy. So there you have it. It's a peek inside this hidden power plug camera. So let me know in the comment what you think about this setup. It's a cool or it's a creepy or maybe a bit of both. As always, if you enjoy this tear down, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so we can explore more tech together. So I have a lot of hidden cameras, so I was thinking to open it up and show you. So let's do that in my future videos. So stay tuned. See you on next video.